What's up, OMG Nation? So today's episode is going to have two starts to it. My boy overheard me the other day saying that I was going to shave off my beard, my goatee. I just go through little stages where I get tired of it and decide it's time to shave it off. So he said, I want to do it. So what I thought would be neat was for us to set up a little something and video it like he shaved off my beard and I was not expecting it. So I want to show you guys a quick clip of that. Ready? Do you know what your cue is? On today's episode.
Can I have this?
Can I have this? Okay, ready? What's up, OMG Nation? What?
What are you doing?
I'm filming a video. On today's episode. What, buddy?
What are you doing?
I'm filming a video.
Why?
Because I am.
Go.
Okay. Well.
Ah!
What?
What are you doing?
I'm filming a video.
What? Go.
Okay. So are you? Oh, look at this. Okay, we need to take a break. So as you can see, he had a blast. It was so much fun for him to do that. And he loves when I put him in any of my episodes. He likes to watch it. He'll sit and watch himself all the time on them. He'll say, I want to be on your TV. I want to be on your TV. So someone asked me the other day, where have my gloves been? They haven't been, speaking of the boy, they haven't been in a couple of your episodes. Well, he plays with my gloves all the time. So if I don't leave them in the garage and I have this little filing cabinet sitting by my office desk in my house, he'll grab them and play with them. And then I can only find one glove for a while. One day he decided to take one of them and stick them under the couch. I was looking for it forever and I found it. Another time he put one in the closet in the shoe rack and I couldn't find it for a couple of days, and I went, it was pulling out a pair of shoes and it was just kind of laying on top of those shoes, and I said, oh well, shoot. That's where that one has been, and I've been looking for it for a while. So if I forget to put those gloves away, he plays with them, and I have no idea where they're at today, which I really wanted to see. It's, oh, come on over there, buddy. Yeah, go ahead. I don't want you to do it again. You're not really paying attention, and I don't want you behind me. Jeez Louise. This guy's stinking. It's 50 degrees. It was 21 this morning. It's 50 degrees now. So I really wanted to see how those gloves did in 50-degree temperature, but I can't find them. Let me ask you guys this question. I saw some people, I watch a lot of different moto vloggers, and I saw some people commenting negatively about commercials, moto vloggers monetizing their vlogs, their episodes, and I didn't understand it. I didn't understand why. Is that Ronnie? I think that's Ronnie. I didn't understand why people seem to care. Why, and there's skippable, 9 times out of 10, there's skippable commercials that are on people's vlogs, and here's the thing, is I try to watch all the commercials. I'll try to help those guys out. In my mind, if I can help them out, make them a little bit more money, and they can take that money, because I mean, most of these guys are not making a killing off their YouTube channel. they pick up sponsors to make the majority of their money. I thought there might be something going on down here today. It looks like nothing. I'm gonna whiz back by there and see if that was Ronnie, and see if he decides to burn back through. So yeah, anyways, most of those guys, they don't make a ton of money off of it, but if it's enough money to buy themselves some more equipment, some more SD cards, some more batteries, whatever, I want to help. I want to watch those commercials. I'll let the commercials play all the way through. I'll try not to skip them right at the 5-second mark or whatever. I try to watch them a little bit because I believe, and I could be wrong on this, I believe they make more money if you watch the full commercial. Sometimes I'll even click on the link for whatever the commercial is, just because I want to help out. But I see a lot of things differently. I like to try to, you know, I know there's a bunch of internet trolls out there. I like to help folks out, because in my mind, anybody that can make money doing something that they enjoy doing and love doing, I want that person to do that versus sit at a desk all day long, Monday through Friday. I've had jobs like that. I've had other jobs that weren't like that. My current job is I work all the time. I have set hours that I do stuff, but 9 times out of 10, my clients, they get off at 5 or 6. You know, I'm just kind of at the mercy of their schedule sometimes. You guys let me know down in the comments what you think. Does that bother you, or do you kind of see it the way I see it? Or if you never saw it that way before, now you kind of understand, oh, well, that's helpful to somebody. I enjoy watching this person. It's helpful to them to continue to do what they do and buying equipment and being able to put out content. I need some gas. Let's see if Sam's has a line or not. So these gloves right here are some old Army surplus gloves. They're actually liners, but I just wear them every now and then as gloves. I think once the temperature gets below 30, I can't wear these on the motorcycle, and they won't keep my hands warm, just these alone. But I could wear them outside without the wind beating my hands and my fingers, and they'll keep my hands warm. This is busy traffic for a Sunday afternoon. I think I pulled off at the wrong stop. Can I get over there? Maybe. Man, I can smell that barbecue. Woo! I can smell that barbecue joint. It smells good. Yeah, it looks busy over there. Let's see, I can whip in behind somebody here. Whew, I got gas on my tank, a little bit spilled out, and it stinks. One of the vloggers that I watch on a regular basis is Adam Sandavol. I like his content. And the interesting thing is, I actually was turned on to Adam Sandavol through watching Blockhead, because one time I was watching Blockhead, and I don't even know where I found him. I think maybe he just showed up in my recommended YouTube feed one time. And so I started watching him, and I was like, I kind of like this dude. He did an episode where he hooked up with Adam Sandavol, and they were just kind of talking. And I guess they were kind of telling a little bit of Sandavol's story. One of Blockhead's friends, or maybe, I don't know if it was one of Sandavol's friends, but somebody tried to scoot up on Sandavol and hit his kill, turn off his engine, and he raised up his fist like he was going to knock him out. And I thought, I like this dude. And then I found out, I started watching his vlogs and learned more about his story and his philanthropy. And then I watched one of his lives the other day, and he said something that I thought was so cool. Apparently when he had that deal with Harley-Davidson, and he was giving away all of those motorcycles, I just assumed that Harley was giving them away, and I don't know why I assumed that. But what Sandavol said was that they worked out a deal And I can't remember if it was 8 bikes or how many. I don't remember. I don't want to say something wrong, but they worked out a deal where part of his money that he was being paid, he bought those motorcycles. And I know that could help him on taxes and charitable givings and all that stuff, but this dude just likes to help people. This dude just likes to give stuff to people, and that's the way I see that. And he could have taken all of that money and not given away those motorcycles, but he gave away, I mean, these were not cheap bikes. $20,000, $30,000 bikes he was giving away, maybe more than that, maybe $31,000 bikes he was giving away. So after I watched more and more of his vlogs, I thought, man, I like this dude. I'm gonna keep watching him. And the fact that Scooter rode around with him and he did all that traveling to every single Harley-Davidson dealership. I've got to run into the store. I know, I just told you guys it's 50 degrees. I've got to run in this store and buy some swim trunks. I might be going on a little vacay here pretty soon. So we're in this episode right here. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have not already, hit that like button. Please do not forget to subscribe. Ooh, look at that Jag. Share this video with a friend. Tell me what you'd like to see in the comments below. And I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.